Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good afternoon all. How are you today? Welcome to my first podcast. Okay, first of all, let me introduce myself. My full name is Danis Muhammad Akbar, and you can call me Danis. And I was born in Bekasi, 13th of September 2000, and now I live in Batu Jaya, Karawang. I am from the Yusuluddin Faculty, majoring in Religious Studies. In this first podcast, I will talk about my life before and after COVID-19. Before COVID hit the earth, I did my life as usual, lectures were still offline. For me, this COVID-19, apart from being a test that could give to mankind, COVID has also greatly changed my life. Before the pandemic, my weight was 89 kilograms, and during the pandemic, I went on a diet by adjusting my diet and exercise. And yes, I got as a result, I lost 21 kilograms of my body weight, and that makes me very, very happy. Maybe if there was no COVID, my weight would continue to increase. The existence of COVID-19 has really changed my life, even in my diet, which initially I ate a lot without looking at carbohydrate, protein, and fiber. However, after this COVID, I eat more vegetables, reduce carbohydrates, and add protein. Yes, indeed, all that is not important to others, but very important to me. With the diet I did, my pants, which were 2 years ago, fit again. Tight clothes become loose. Of course, there are lots of clothes that I can wear again. And my friends who initially saw me as a fat person when I lost 21 kilograms of my body weight, they all complimented me and wanted me to share my diet tips and tricks. Many people stare at me too, and I am more confident when I leave the house, when I put on my clothes, and when I look in the mirror. The lesson from COVID, in my opinion, is that with this COVID-19, humanity remembers its God again. There are many cases of death everywhere, so people pray for their life to be safe. And also, I have more free time with my family. Before COVID-19 come to Indonesia, I was rarely at home and often played out of the house. And with this COVID, I am more aware that being healthy is expensive. I see myself after COVID is more excited. Maybe because I have lost 21 kilograms of my body weight. So when doing activities it feels lighter. And I also pay more attention to my diet. My plan is to increase my exercise so that I can reach my ideal weight. And God gives something, there must be negative and positive. God gave COVID to humans because He wanted to be remembered by His people. Maybe due to this COVID, many workers have lost their jobs. Everything is done online. However, behind it all, there are great lessons, such as lots of free time with family, healthy skin because we are rarely exposed to the sun, and we are more diligent in worshiping. And everything has a lesson. It's just how do we respond and solve it. Yeah, of course, we don't want COVID-19 to hit the world, especially Indonesia, but life must continue as it should. Let's add our enthusiasm and energy to face everything, and hopefully hope after this COVID-19 is gone and the plans that were delayed due to COVID-19 can be realized properly. Thank you so much for your the best attention, and sorry if there is a wrong word, and see you next time in the second podcast. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.